Okahey, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe, Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and my lovely assistant, Noah. In the studio with me is none other than the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today we have a very special guest. Isn't that right, sweetie?
We sure do.
Today in the studio with us, all the way from Sesame Street, the Count. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Niji. Say hello. Hello, everyone. I am so honored to be here on the BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO podcast. Oh, well, let me tell you, sir, it's a real honor to have you here. Well, say, tell me, Count, do you know any Ojibwe? I have to say I do not. I'm not from around here. You see, I'm from Transylvania.
Oh.
You're from Transylvania? I thought you were from Sesame Street. No, you see, that is just where I work. We film in Sesame Street, but I live in Transylvania. Oh, well, hey, would you like to learn some Ojibwe today? I would love to learn how to count in Ojibwe. Okay, then. I'll tell you what. We're going to count to 10 in Ojibwe. And we'll teach you how to count this way. How about you do the English and I'll do the Ojibwe? I think that sounds like a great idea. Oh, and just one thing, Niji. Yeah, what is it? You know, you don't have to laugh after everything you say. Yes, I suppose I didn't realize I was doing that. Begging your pardon, sir. Oh, no, it's okay. All right, so why don't you get us started counting? Okay, to begin with, 1. Oh, I'm doing it again. 1. Beijig. 2. Nij. 3. Niswe. 4. Niwin. 5. Nanin. 6. Ningodwaswe. 7. Nijwaswe. 8. Ishwaswe. 9. Jangaswe. 10. Medaswe. Oh, that is really interesting. Hey, you know what? I'm just learning that the Transylvanian accent is a lot like the Ojibwe accent, isn't it?
Oh, jeez.
Well, I think you're rubbing off on me. All right. So, Count, do you think you can count to 10 in Ojibwe now? Well, I can give it a best try. How is this? Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodwaswe, Nijwaswe, Jongaswe, Midaswe. I just counted to 10 in Ojibwe. I am the Count, and I can count in Ojibwe now. Thank you so much, Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, wow, you picked it up really quickly, didn't you, honey?
I can't believe it. He learned it in one try.
Well, there you go. You want to send us out, sweetie?
Okay. Well, hey, everyone. Just want to say, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
And I just want to thank the Count one last time for being on the show. It was my honor. All right. Well, hey, then I'm going to say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hoa.
Oh, you did just good, Count.
Well, thank you very much, my darling.